Pleasant warmth in bed with the UB67 Cozy Heated Underblanket. UB67 Cozy has an extra soft surface consisting of a micro fluffy fabric, ideal for a relaxing and pleasant night. Hygiene and well-being are guaranteed because UB67 Cozy is machine washable and has the Oeko-Tex certificate. The handy fitted electric blanket with fitted sheet function is suitable for 90 x 200 or 100 x 200 centimeter mattresses. Thanks to the 3 temperature levels, you can individually set the heat. Maximum safety is guaranteed by the Boyera safety system. It prevents overheating and switches the underblanket off automatically in the event of a fault. An integrated automatic switch off after 3 hours ensures a pleasant night. Treat yourself with the UB67 Cozy Fitted Heated Underblanket by Boyera.